Sex it up.
I just wanna take you like this. I just wanna take you like this. I just wanna take you like this.
But I white me the one where I can't go wear white.
In a rain?
Rough with them.
Guys, you can't see me, but you guys can see it's night now, and apparently, you wanna know when they a dream? When they not the car? When they not the car a dream?
Yeah.
Okay, they not the car a dream, so we should do their dream, but when they a dream. So sorry guys, I'm gonna show you the time, then we'll catch the vibes. When you know what time Jamaica curfew starts, and on the slow day in the car. We don't know what happened on the road today, but the journey is supposed to be 4 hours or at least 3 hours and a half. I will end up driving for about 8 hours. Traffic. So we miss Dream Weekend.
In a block now in the grill, brother. We just cut early and go sort out the tailor thing, brother.
You know the price of them are gonna charge me?
Right, if we go on tailor now charge more than 3 bills or up there, so probably 5 bills to take you in the pants.
My card details never work for this, so I'm gonna try it on next card. I'm back there. Guys, may I try about the Airbnb? It got true. Guys, my outfit not even ready for Dream Weekend. I'm telling you, I'm not come prepared. I have no red, nothing in my handbag, none of my luggage there. I have nothing red. Alright, the nigga confirmation confirm. I gotta tell him, say hello, we're coming for Dream. We're coming for Dream Weekend. Please can we have a later check-in for Dream Weekend?
Calm down.
Please can.
I swear that him say, if other things say them, probably can't make the movies because from him say man down there, everything going on.
Please can we have a later check-in time? Thank you. So I see now a little cottage in the grill. Ha 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 ha. I'm gonna take some content tomorrow.
So dog, ready now, brother?
Me I confirm the booking. Shaquille love talk to me, you know? We on you know on the Airbnb for book. Me literally about this something now.
So you don't have to sit down and do it, you know. You can get up and do that, you know, brother.
Alright guys, later.
1st of January, in the sea, I beat Becca with the cranberry. Man, I star in a real.
Tell them that some of them I'm gonna talk to them quick.
Dog, you can't talk to my window, the problem, brother.
I know that, I did copyright where you gonna kill me with, I know that. The money what I'm not gonna make, the money what I'm not gonna make. Hey guys, so I'm just in the taxi now. I'm still with Shaq.
Taxi? Bomba, dog, me hurt. Man style me dog, man say that taxi. No, Oshia car. Style, taxi.
Yeah, that. Osh. But then I Shaquille good car now. Yeah, the good things. So then I'm good car.
We'll low up on the gas, so kind of.
We'll low up on the gas.
Naturally AC, but you know, so up it. Alright, gas station.
I love the fresh breeze. People look on the background. When me I watch people YouTube video, I be a background watch out because some of them know vlog nothing sensible. I'm not say that. I be them background watch out. So the background they wanna know about there. I'm gonna see this. If you know, you know. We are head to Pines in Portmore. I get some breakfast now. What else did I do?
I really know.
You want trim?
I go all the lines. The girls want to smell up fresh.
True.
Fresh. Right now I think kind of shabbily bubbly.
Yeah. So Shaquille want to get a trim, but we don't know if time I go permit that, so he might have to just go and stay.
Rough. Give them it while I'm moving.
Give them it rough. We're still not a ticket for the party. Hey. But here we are prepping. Ha. Shaquille, cause when I'm friend and him friend so we can buy tickets at the gate. I tell Shaquille say online said no tickets at the gate. Him say hello at Jamaica this. Me say alright love.
Brother, come like you feel like say London you there, no brother.
I put on my shades. Oh, guys, Island Grill, I'm show now.
Still have breakfast here. What time now? 10:50.
No, it is
Probably
10:59.
Probably not have none. Right.
Let's see if they have breakfast. Whatever they have, I'll have. I don't mind. Oh gosh, my love Island Grill fries. I could have do it for them jerk chicken, for them jerk in a bad.
Go at 18.
Yeah. Even look to Tokyo not bad. Guys, Jamaica Chinese, undefeated.
Yo, but I put
Undefeated.
Tokyo still.
Your skin nice though. Black, very nice.
See girls, them like it, you know?
Yeah?
Yeah. Like up and down chocolate,
Hey guys. I don't know if you guys can see my outfit in the car. Probably not. I'll show you guys soon. It's not really an outfit. I literally just tied my scarf as a top with some skirt. We're gonna try get some breakfast now. Well, it's after 11, so in Jamaica they stop serving breakfast at 11, like they're proper strict on it. So I'm probably gonna end up having to get lunch. And yeah, you wanna look on it? Me I vlog for YouTube. You wanna tell them I? You don't want to tell them I? Why?
No.
Why you shy?
Just want to see picture.
Oh, it's clear, man, and it can go brighter if you want. It can go darker. It's crystal clear. Nice, see there. It worth it, man. G7X. Yeah. Alright, let's go. Yeah? So, I'm for crap you to my video. I'll post you up, yeah? Me a dating, yeah? Me a post you up. Ah, guys. You see it on YouTube too? Okay, me I put it on YouTube, guys. I'm saying one by YouTube, man. Mom, I just sanitize up. I love this. Good morning, yeah. So people must sanitize up.
Give me this. Go on, do it again.
I'm serious.
Put up your hand.
I'm gonna go, girl. I'm just
Put
the
up your hand.
temperature. Yeah.
Ah.
Girl. Yes, yes. Come through my country.
Yeah,
Come through
mad,
Jamaica. Yeah, video don't come to see the video my face. Come through my country. Where you Ada? I still show them. Them just struggle.
So it flip upside. Oh.
Because it's broken.
Oh.
Where Ada? Duh. What one?
Jerk chicken them upstairs. So I like really have no variety. Yeah.
True. Jerk on one. I gotta get the jerk on. Them have breadfruit. I could eat slice some fried breadfruit, you know. I'm gonna eat 2 slices of fried breadfruit, 1 jerk chicken, 1 festival. I'm gonna know probably 1 corn pan the cup, but I can't bother with my teeth right now, you know. I don't want to mash up the good teeth. Look, I'm gonna have something there. Corn pan cup. What you did for? What you did?
It's a corn pan cup.
So what you call it?
Corn, brother. I just corn. You go there.
Pan the cup.
Speaking, brother. Corn.
Alright.
Hello, good day.
Hi, good afternoon.
This is on the plant.
Yeah. Yeah.
Can you explain the plant box?
Planting box for green.
Right.
Green, please.
Barbecue or jerk?
Jerk, please.
Jerk, best one you have available at the moment.
Only what, sorry?
Best one wing.
Okay, that's fine.
They call it adjustment.
Just not jerk or barbecue.
Jerk.
Best one you have available, okay?
Yeah, man.
Would you like to add what flavor for the drink or juice?
What kind of juice?
What kind of juice?
We have guava pineapple, we have fruit punch, and we have passion punch.
The passion night?
Passion punch. This is the fruit punch.
Yeah.
That different. Let me try that. Please, thank you.
Which size? Medium.
Just a small one.
Small one.
Yeah, that's too small?
Small
Give me
one.
medium then. Give me medium. Please.
Medium.
Please.
You want juice?
No man, medium guava fine.
Okay. A medium guava pine, a medium passion punch, a jerk burst just now, and a green plantain box, jerk burst celery. Now it's complete.
Here.
$2,060.
$100 coming clutch. $200 coming clutch.
Show them what the Jamaican money look like. That's $1,000. Basically £1 is 207 Jamaican dollars, just for reference. But that's really high. Usually it's like between 160 to 180, but now because of the economy, it's skyrocketed. So it's literally between 200 to 210 on a normal everyday basis. In 2021. Oh my god, guys, they got this. They got extra beach fish, look.
$40 exchange, the ticket number is 364. Thank you.
Shaquille, it cost so much, but stop now, because you demonetize me. I have to cut. Enough editing you give me. Talk all your talk, but still take time. The money I have to make.
Right, let's see how fold it up. Fold it up, bro.
To the brim.
Run more than 6.
Guys, we don't have no gas. We don't know how Shaquille is the brim.
Blinkins.
Blinking.
They didn't show.
Let me eat this, yeah. I get some green plant. I love green plant, and I'm not really a ripe plant kind of girl. I get some jerk chicken. Show them my food. Shaquille chop up few money already. Yeah. Me not like it tastes like just an ordinary something. I see what Shaquille mean, but more taste this and see go on a reaction. Where you try them? I'm taste the Shaquille. The day I go quick doing it, guys. After what time I wake up early today. I wake up about 5 o'clock in the morning. I don't know why.
So
and then I go back, go lay down. I go edit.
Look at the mirror, I them red.
Oh no man, last night we were tired. And plus they will come in and I chat for much in time. So I will come in and go to bed. Yeah, that better hide his daughter. A little bit. We're getting this table for drinking now. Just cut the ends.
The man got the beer chatting. East side of his score when the key a kick. Somebody dead and the meal never stay away. Yeah man, I saw east side full of bravery. Shoot them up fake. Wads every day. Car hug accelerate off it head. No liquor, I'm true, and if you violate the damn we clap the shit. Bust my piece of gun, really shot for Paris man. Non-believer, all I read, and gun me love me kill man. Don't care the street and beach up till it start running real. Fuck up any reason, me no want defeat I idiot.
Hey guys, boy I'm tired. I feel like that dream weekend prepare. Need for them at the Olympics because it's an extreme sport this is. Like what the hell? Boy I'm tired so till me can't tired no more. But we're in the taxi now and we're on our way to dream weekend. The only thing that's outstanding is the COVID test, and honestly that's so unprofessional of Dream to only just let it be known that you actually need a COVID test on the day that the parties are happening. I find it quite inconvenient to now kill myself to get COVID test. But anywho, we are on our way and we're gonna do the COVID test in St. Anne as opposed to in Kingston because it would be too out of the way. We would have to go to New Kingston to then divert back onto the highway, and we're in Portmore now, so it would be a lot easier to just go through Toll and just continue on the highway that way. I'm tired guys, I'm tired. I'm gonna show you everything, the situation. I have some, let's see what I want. I have some appetite from last night. I did get some Guinea by the way. It's one of my favorite fruits. I absolutely love them. And I'm going to finish my island grill. I just want to catch my breath But we're just at the tire shop now. This is our second to last stop on our little prep thing going on. Shaquille also went to the barbers when I was home packing. So I packed a few stuff. I packed something in case we need to go to the club tonight. I packed a pair of heels. I packed bikini if we want to go to the beach tonight, or if you want to go to the beach tomorrow before we head back down to Kingston. Boy, this whole thing is just, boy, this whole thing is a lot. What would it tell you?
Yeah?
What them say?
My name is used there, Papa.
They will sell you stay. It have been new?
Brand new.
How much for your brand new there?
10 grand.
Them could have sting.
I just say, okay.
No thank you.
And I just walk out.
So which way you gonna now then?
See, one next, one tire shop right out of Britain, this one. And I
Okay.
go check it.
Why try next tire shop? Shaquille want change one of the tire them because him not feel confident to drive it go up the North Coast and back with it. I want to be around there. I don't know why I'm comfortable to drive it in a Kingston or Portmore to begin with, but
Rather far that, you know.
at the
Remember
same
burn
driving.
off- No. Yeah, I go a burn off toll better. That it happened to me already. Drive go up on the toll with one eye tire them. Like that. And it bust palm.
Oh wow.
I have to finish the journey with my spear. My donut.
Thank God for the spears. Oh, I should know me wear. I wear this dress from Zara. I'ma have my orange heels to match. You guys know I got these from Zara. I'm gonna wear these as well. But for now I just have on some flip-flops, and this is what I'm wearing to check in. I want to do a room tour of our Negril Airbnb now, but I don't think I'll have any time because we just want to go in and out for Urban Catch a Dream. So I might have to do the hotel tour after Dream Weekend. And I'm a frustrated.
Man, feel my dog.
Of course, we can't go so far to get it. Are you this? I got the yes, I'm the one, man. Yeah.
Just to get an ass. I know the tears still fall down my last bitch. This money made me hungry, I'm a savage. I seen the stars lighting up, you couldn't imagine. I watched my brother give up on me like.
On the tour. See?
Maricha watching. Thank you, Jesus. Someone's gotta take the lead tonight. I'm gonna sit right here and tell you all that. Guys, we just got to Ocherias. Let me show you guys the background.
What is now?
Over there.
Mommy.
We're at Kaya Herb House. I think this is a
Jack's
weed
Hall.
shop. We're at Jack's Hall. Let me show you guys my outfit. I'm literally just gonna take the corona test and then we go to Dream. Why am I have to walk up the ramp? Why I can't walk up the step? Why you want me to suffer? I'm gonna try to take a picture for my thumbnail. Guys, my legs are so dry because I was sweating so much. I didn't bother creaming my skin. But now I look so damn ashy. So I don't know what that's about. Let me show you guys. This is the weed house. I'm gonna come back and try it when my other friend is here. Oh, this is peak. Guys, my heels keep fucking falling. Let me show you guys. Look. Oh, yes, it look like a vibe. Yes, it look like a vibe, but the first man come here.
That man says if rain or fall, the party probably now go down the other part.
Oh, you can probably elevate anyway. Okay.
I remember all the money them still have to get them money now them still have to make the people them party.
Yeah, them still have to perform and them have to make it up.
But a white me don't wear, I can't go wear white.
In a rain?
Let's fuck in the trap. My niggas got choppers, you say. Let's fuck in the trap. My niggas got choppers, you say. Let's go fuck in the trap. My niggas got choppers, you say. Let's make love in the trap. My niggas got choppers, you say. You don't know me, I'm killer. Sit down. Used to walk, now the bigger. Pull up in a time, it's still bigger. Balenciaga, no villa. When I saw for the caterpillar, big muscle level sleep under the villa. Running on your house or your villa. When you see the killer, man, I empty that thing.
It's like a body in my intro. I run away. Yes, I feel this look mad, this look mad, this look mad, this look mad, this look mad. Guys, gonna care to see me. What's on this down? Guys, you can't see me, but you guys can see it's night now, and apparently, you wanna know when they a dream. When they not the car, when they not the car a dream.
Yeah.
Okay, they not the car a dream, so we should do their dream. But when they a dream.
I'm not this.
So sorry guys. I'm gonna show you the time, then we'll catch the vibe. We don't know what time Jamaica curfew starts, and on the slow day in the car. We don't know what happened on the road today, but the journey is supposed to be 4 hours or at least 3 hours and a half. I will end up driving for about 8 hours. Traffic. So we miss Dream Weekend. Bye. Check it, put up a peace finger. I'm gonna say bye. Bye. The motion.
so we did go buy the food. A while ago, man never say them leave, we say breakfast.